Today's review is on the new Tomica Release for the month of July. We have the Honda CR-V and the GT-R Nismo 2020 model, which I think is quite a good mix. And just a heads up, my next video will be on the Olympics Toyota Japan Taxi versus the regular version, so stay tuned, and big thanks to my buddy James for the Olympic Japan Taxi. And now let's take a closer look at the Honda CR-V casting. As always, the irregular scale for Tomica, it comes at the scale of 1:66. First impression, I love the paint job. It also comes with a Tomica standard suspension without any opening parts sadly. At this point, I can confirm that Tomica has no intention to do any opening parts for their casting for 2019. I believe some of the collectors will be disappointed without the opening parts, including me. Even for the rear, it can't be opened and that's sad. The Honda logo and marking wise are sharp, but I don't really like the treatment for the rear light. But for the front, it's totally a different story. The execution is neat. I really like the realistic plastic headlights, and I believe a lot of effort is invested on the front. Next is the pair of Nissan GT-R Nismo 2020 model, which come with first color in black below, and let's start with the regular version in white. Wow, I'm really impressed. Very nice. It's worth the wait for this casting. The body color is similar to the CR-V. It comes in pearl white, which makes it look very premium. The roof is in pearl black, a very nice combination with the body color, and that's great. Apart from the body color, I also like the stance of this Nismo 2020 and also the plastic spoiler. I think it looks fantastic. The treatment for the rear light is a far cry from the CR-V. It's very nice in metallic red paint. You can see how terrible the treatment for the rear light for the CR-V is bad as compared with the GTR. The presentation for the front is equally as awesome. Overall, this casting looks great. In my opinion, I think this may be the best mainline for 2019 and also a strong contender for the Suzuki Jimny. Next, the Nismo 2020 model in first color black. Ho, equally as awesome as the white. It's nice. The whole body comes in pearl black in high gloss finish, which make it looks very sleek. I really love the dark shade. It makes it look much more stylish and also sporty. The paint job on the body is definitely an overall winner. To commemorate the 50th anniversary for the GTR, there's a number of casting released by Tomica and I think they all look great. Overall, a very nice release for this month. Remember to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thanks everyone. Bye.